People seem to be losing hope in Bitcoin and crypto. Let me tell you why you can't do that yet. It's a snippet from a recent market update for subscribers of my newsletter. Crypto is easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody you know, and if you want the full update, see the link in the description below. And we have reasons to think that last run could happen. I've already talked about some of those things, but now look, we're starting to see some constructive behaviors. This is the accumulation. This is a chart of accumulators, what I call accumulators, where if you look at the key cohorts, which are people who own less than 100 Bitcoins, but more than zero point 0.1 Bitcoins, these lines down here, they've been going up since the end of February. They're starting to grow, accumulating, stacking sats, adding, padding to their allocation in a way that they hadn't for months. We also see a bounce off of this trend line for the new addresses. We've pointed out that trend line here and bounce back up. New addresses, new people, people who interact directly with the blockchain. They don't buy the ETF, they're not using derivatives, but these are actual bona fide Bitcoins going into real, actual wallets. And generally speaking, when people do that, it's because there's more of an intent. They want the Bitcoin. They don't just want to gamble on the market, they want the Bitcoin. The Ace SOPR, finally, look on your right side of the screen. Finally, we got back to that one level, that equilibrium, that healthy equilibrium between buyers and sellers. And these are all constructive behaviors. The market is settling. People are starting to prepare for another upswing. We need to see more of these behaviors before we can say that we've turned the corner. So let's look and see. Will we get more in the coming weeks? What that means is that more of the market will move to people who care, who will hold with conviction. We will rebuild the foundation for the market that we lost at the end of last year. And then you look at some other metrics. I won't go through tons of them just for the sake of time, but you look at the stablecoin supply ratio oscillator. It's a way to measure the strength of stablecoins relative to Bitcoin. And not only are we below the zero line, but we're coming more in line with what you would consider, health in recent years, good, healthy levels. Now, the lower this gets, the better. It's good that we're heading in the right direction, and the overall stablecoin market, the total market cap, it's still very strong. That means between the total stablecoin staying steady and this oscillator getting lower, it means stablecoins have more influence on Bitcoin's movements and in a healthy way. There's more cushion to absorb a further drop and more fuel to push prices higher. There is one problem. Nice to have